War has been part of human history for thousands of years. From swords and shields, to trenches, tanks, and modern battlefields. Weapons changed, machines changed. But one truth remained. Every mission depends on logistics, ammunition, medical supplies, food. They must move. But what happens when the road is destroyed? When the ground is unstable? When the terrain is too dangerous for people? Who carries the load when no human should go? That is the purpose of LUGV, an unmanned all-terrain forklift and cargo carrier. It picks up heavy cargo, carries it across mud, rubble, slopes, and broken terrain, delivers it where it is needed, and unloads it, fully autonomous or remotely controlled. For thousands of years, people entered danger to keep missions moving. Now, there is another way. Send the machine, protect the people, complete the mission. LUGV.